This is a demonstration video on how to create a Padlet and use it in your classroom with students. So first you're going to go to padlet.com. Then you are going to press the pink button that says Make. And now there are a bunch of different options here for how you can have the posts on your Padlet organized. I normally like to use Wall because this just has the posts come up in the order that they were posted, and you can still move them around. There are a bunch of other options like Stream, which is really good for a blog-like style, and then Grid and Shelf, which organize in rows or columns, and then Back Channel, which is communication oriented. I'm going to press Wall. Now you're going to change some of the settings, make a title and a description. Then you can choose your wallpaper. The best part about this is that you can add your own wallpaper. So I really like to upload a graphic organizer or something that I want my students to be able to see when they're posting. You can press add your own to do that. I'm just going to choose donuts. Then you can choose a theme, the color, and the font. Next, you can pick an icon if you want it oriented to what the Padlet is about. I would do this for fractions maybe. And then you can change some settings here like authors' names, post position, or profanity filter if you teach older students. I normally don't do the attribution with names because I have my students just write their name in the title. You can have students comment on each other's posts, and I like to do reactions because I like to grade the posts in a star system. You can add tags for people to search it, and then you can change the URL. I normally put it as something that has to do with the topic or just something easy so they can access it quickly by typing in the URL. Once you press next, that URL is going to change to what you made it. Then you can choose the privacy settings. I always do public, but you could do password protected if you wanted it only accessible by certain students or only by everyone at your school and not be open to the public. You can change what people with access can do. Can write is the best for students. You can add other teachers if you have a co-teacher or administration that wants to be on the Padlet. And then you can do some advanced settings. Next, you are ready to start posting. If you want to make a post, you press the plus in the bottom corner, and then you can write a title, and you have space to write here. If you want to record a video of yourself or post in any unique way, there are really great tools if you press this ... button, and these are all of the things that you can upload on Padlet or students can upload. So a lot of times I like to do an initial post where I put the directions or a video explanation, even a video of myself reading a text aloud so students can come here and watch it. And then I might put a question for them to answer or respond to. And these are all of the different ways that they can respond to that question. They can upload something from the computer, link a URL to a different website, do any Google search for images, videos. They can take a photo of themselves or take a photo of their work. They can take a video demonstrating acting out anything or working with a partner, and then they can also do a voice recording. If they don't feel comfortable typing a response, they can do a voice recording of the response. And another option is they can draw something. This might be useful if students are demonstrating a diagram or even an art class, anything like that. Drawing would be a really great option for that. And then I normally don't do map or Padlet. So these are all of the different ways that students can utilize Padlet. And it's accessible for all students with all preferences and abilities when responding. So I really think Padlet is a great tool to use in your classroom, and I hope that this video helps you.